Flex. So I'm gonna take this off. Take this loose first. Then I'm gonna take this off. Then I'm gonna take this off. Alright. Usually, I gotta knock them out. But in this case, it just fell out. Don't look that old. Now I'm gonna screw this off. I'm gonna screw my nut off. Count how many spins you take it off. That's how I get that off of there. Alright, now there's a chain there. And I'm gonna take my hammer and I'm gonna hit that bitch and knock that bitch off. That bitch off of there. And this is the little clip I knocked off. Just go in there with a flat head right there. Alright, now I'm gonna just take some tool. I gotta get that. You can also just get a wrench really and just come in between there. Probably do that. Usually you need a tool, but I got a tie rod tool, but this is gonna work right here. Now it's tight, so I'm just gonna get down there and break it. Broke it loose. Alright, when you go back, use Loctite on this shit, thread lock or whatever. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. So I got my boot bag on there. I'm gonna go with the zip tie. And that's gonna be my back jank right there. Zip tie her up. I have to put my phone down, but to replace that clamp, you just get back here and you tighten that jank up now with some clippers or something. Some needle nose pliers and clip in off. Put my other little clamp back on there. Put my nut back on there. I'll put my tighten that up with the impact. Tighten this up with your wrench. But I'm gonna put my wheels on, do an alignment. That's what I'm gonna do.